We're at McKean Landfill. This is a facility in western Pennsylvania. This is the only rail-served disposal facility in the Casella network. The waste comes in via rail as opposed to truck. We have Willimantic, Lenox, and Holyoke on the rail transfer side, and then we have McKean on the landfill disposal side. We have a railroad that services this facility, the Buffalo and Pittsburgh, that's known as a short line. But we also have CSX Railroad, which is a Class 1 bigger railroad that services them.
Charging system. About 3.5 years ago, we started with the idea of this is what the rail needs to look like. Many people, way smarter than I, engineered that, put it together, everybody got their input, and it was built.
We are discovering that volume has to go farther distances to be disposed of, and that's where rail is an essential tool. Each rail car can actually hold the capacity of 4 tractor trailers. Rail has the smallest carbon footprint. Environmentally, there's a benefit to it. 7 to 10 years from now, we could be acquiring sources of volume that we can service with rail, bring it to this facility, and just building up our Casella rail network.
All of our rail started brand new. We've never taken rail at any Casella site, and this is our first site doing that. The team really loves it.
That's it.
They take pride in the fact that they're the only rail crew that is in Casella's footprint.
It's pretty awesome. We get to be a part of everything to do with the train cars as well. Unloading, moving them, making sure they're good to go to be moved back on.
Safety is paramount, from just like at our company. But this facility in particular, we did bring in a third-party rail trainer with 29 years experience in the rail industry. He trained every one of the individuals working here on rail operations.
Our motto, simple, think safe, be safe. Everything is big, and you've got to have good safety mindset going into your day so that you can go home at the end of the day. Our rail waste facility, when the cars show up, we're doing containerized waste, which is just a big 20-foot long, 12-foot high box that comes in, and we pick it up with a huge gantry crane. The crane will set the container down onto the ADT. The ADT will take that container up to the working face, back into where the operator tells him, and the operator assists him with opening the gate and dumping the load out. And then we do it all over again.
They're all pretty great people. We all kind of work together to complete projects in our normal day throughout the day, and if it weren't for the ability to work with everyone that is here, then I don't think everything would get done as smoothly as it does.
This team shows a dedication to succeed. We are always looking to bring more volume in here.
We've got a good mix of people, but at the end of the day, every one of them is here for each other. And I think over the years we've gotten a really good chemistry here now, and everybody wants to make it successful. We have no compliance issues. People in the community are happy that we're here. That's what we strive for. I'm very proud of this place.